Okay. Ew.
This is our eggy yolk. Find the hole. Trying to get it out of there.
Ew!
Is that my finger?
No, it just looks so nasty and yellow. It's like super yellow. Ew. Oh, hurry, the battery's gonna die. We're gonna have to find new batteries and finish this. Okay, blow again. Ow!
It pooped it more.
Let's see.
The water's just kind of murky.
Yeah. Oh, you're getting all the yolk out.
Oh, it's nasty!
It's like
Oh, it smells like nasty!
oh, make it smell. Keep going. Keep going. We almost had it, but you cracked the egg because you blew too hard.
To my sad face.
Just stress that face. She killed it.
Look at it in its glory of blowing tiny bird eggs.
Okay, apparently tiny bird eggs. You're not supposed
Too delicate. I guess once all that yolk went out, it was like, no more. Your heart ate me.
We need a syringe next time. Yeah. If there is a next time. Okay, so bye-bye, egg.
Bye-bye, the bird's first egg.